Hi, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're talking about something that's transforming libraries across the board: library instructional services. Now, when you think of a library, you might picture shelves of books and a quiet reading room. But today's libraries are vibrant learning spaces, and librarians are educators, tech guides, and collaborators. Whether it's helping a student navigate a research database or teaching someone how to apply for jobs online, instructional services are at the heart of what libraries do. Let's explore how this works and why it matters. So, what exactly are instructional services in a library? At their core, these are the teaching and learning activities that librarians lead to help users become confident, independent information seekers. This can include teaching how to use databases and search tools, offering workshops on research strategies or citation styles, creating online tutorials and screencasts, embedding support directly into academic courses. These services can be delivered in person, online, or asynchronously. For example, a librarian might host a live Zoom session on evaluating sources, or create a short video tutorial on using JSTOR that students can access anytime. Libraries are often called the People's University because they provide free, open access to learning for everyone, regardless of age, background, or location. Instructional services are more than helpful, they're essential. Here's why. First, they promote information literacy. In a world flooded with misinformation, librarians teach users how to find credible sources, evaluate them critically, and use them ethically. Second, they support distance learners. With more students learning online, instructional services ensure they still get the guidance they need, even if they never set foot in the library. Third, they foster lifelong learning. Libraries serve everyone, from kids doing homework to adults changing careers. Instructional services help people grow, adapt, and stay informed. And finally, they help users navigate digital environments. Whether it's accessing ebooks, using government websites, or applying for jobs online, librarians teach the tech skills that many people need but don't always have. These services empower users to not just consume information, but to understand and apply it. Instructional librarians wear many hats. They're educators, designers, and tech facilitators. Let's break down what they actually do. They teach, leading workshops, webinars, and classroom sessions on topics like database searching, source evaluation, and citation management. They design learning materials, creating screencasts, research guides, and interactive tutorials that users can access on demand. They collaborate with faculty, embedding resources into course platforms like Canvas or Blackboard, and sometimes even co-teaching sessions. They support users individually, offering one-on-one consultations, either in person or virtually. And they stay current, attending webinars, learning new tools, and adapting to changing technologies. According to ALA's proficiency standards, instructional librarians should be skilled in pedagogy, technology, and program coordination. But more than that, they should be responsive to the needs of their communities, whether that's a college campus or a neighborhood branch. Distance learning has exploded in recent years, and libraries are stepping up to support it. Whether it's a student in a rural town or a working parent taking night classes, instructional librarians help bridge the gap. Libraries support distance learning by providing remote access to databases, journals, and ebooks, creating asynchronous tutorials that students can access anytime, hosting live webinars and virtual office hours, offering chat and email support for research help. ALA standards for distance learning emphasize equitable access, meaning remote learners should receive the same level of support as those on campus. That includes instruction, resources, and guidance. Public libraries also play a role here. Many offer free Wi-Fi, computer access, and tech help for students who don't have reliable internet or devices at home. Learning management systems, or LMS platforms, are where most online learning happens. Think Canvas, Blackboard, Moodle, or Google Classroom. These platforms host course materials, discussions, and assignments. Instructional librarians use LMS platforms to embed research guides, tutorials, and library links, post discussion prompts or feedback on research assignments, offer real-time chat or email support, collaborate with instructors to align library resources with course goals. This is where embedded librarianship comes in. Instead of waiting for students to come to the library, librarians go to them, right inside their courses. This model improves student engagement and helps integrate information literacy into the curriculum. Presentation technologies help librarians make instruction visual, interactive, and engaging. Common tools include LCD projectors and interactive whiteboards like ClearTouch, which allow hands-on demonstrations. Presentation software like PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Prezi, which help structure and visualize content. Polling tools like Kahoot or Mentimeter, which make sessions more interactive. These tools are used in workshops, classrooms, and even community events. For example, a librarian might use an interactive whiteboard to show how to search a database, or use Prezi to present a research strategy in a visually dynamic way. The goal is to make learning stick, and technology helps make that happen. Screencasting is one of the most effective ways to teach library skills online. It lets librarians record their screen while narrating a task, like searching a database or evaluating a website. Popular tools include Camtasia and Snagit for professional editing, Screencast-O-Matic and Loom for quick, easy recordings, OBS Studio for more advanced, customizable videos. These videos can be embedded in LMS courses, shared on the library website, or sent directly to users. They're especially helpful for asynchronous learning, where users need help outside of regular hours. ALA recommends keeping screencasts short and modular, so users can find exactly what they need without watching a long video. We have mentioned embedded librarianship a few times here. What is it? Embedded librarianship is about being present in the learning environment, not just as a resource, but as a partner. Embedded librarians join LMS courses to post resources and answer questions, collaborate with faculty on assignment design, offer feedback on research projects, provide real-time or asynchronous support. This model is especially valuable in online and hybrid courses, where students may feel disconnected. Having a librarian embedded in the course helps build relationships and ensures students get help when they need it. It's also used in public libraries, where librarians embed themselves in community programs, local events, or civic initiatives to meet users where they are. So, what's the big picture? Instructional librarians are educators, technologists, and community builders. They support learners across all formats, face-to-face, hybrid, and online. They use technology to expand their reach and impact, and they help users develop the skills to find, evaluate, and use information effectively. Libraries are evolving into dynamic learning environments, and instructional services are at the heart of that transformation. Whether through a screencast, a Zoom session, or a classroom workshop, instructional librarians help people learn how to learn, and that's a powerful thing.